Okay everybody, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel once again, and I've got a challenge locking device simply called number 2 by the one and only Chris Capune. That's right. It's kind of an honor actually to have number 2 because he sent me also his number 1. So I was able to get a crack at the first challenge lock that he made. And this one here is, like I said, number 2. There's the bidding on the key. Not too crazy, but a little bit crazy. Actually, yeah, it's a bit crazy. So we may have a problem getting to those highs. I'm not sure yet, because sometimes when if you gotta go off the ledge and you gotta get to them highs, a lot of times you're gonna overset the lows. I mean, if you're watching me, you're probably a lock picker, so you know what I'm talking about. But any hoodles, if that is an issue, we may have to maybe try to go at it several different ways, but we'll see. Because I haven't gotten into this one yet. I haven't tried it yet. I don't remember if I have. I don't think so. At least not on camera. So this will be a first here. So get that in there nice and good, so we can go back and forth. That should work. Okay, and bada boom, bada bing. Did I show the key worked? If I can get it in the keyhole. There we go. Lock does work like butter. Okay, now. Oh, I guess we can get brought in a bit here. That'll work. Okay, bada boom, bada bing. I think I will start off with, how about this little, it's fairly short. I think this is one of my Southords. I put some heat shrink on the metal handles they come with. And if we got to, like I said, if we got to get past them lows, we might have to use one of the SS devs that I use sometimes to kind of pick like that. But let's see if we can get something started. Okay. Little click off of 2. I don't think it did anything. That felt nasty. 4. I think it was 4. I'm trying to get something to work with me here. I think we got a little bit of a turn, but I don't want to get too overzealous here. Oh, there we go. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright, so that worked out great. We got that sucker. Okay, let me get the camera widened out, backed off, and get this bad boy out of the device. Very cool. Very cool, Chris. Like I said, I mean, that's number 2, okay? So you got to give credit where credit's due. Let me get about right here-ish, I guess. And still using the pink stuff. Another shout out again to my buddy Bobby Keys for making a whole bunch of this pink stuff here, the pink pinning trays. Guys, you know, man, he sent out quite a bit of this stuff. He worked his butt off. He had those 3D printers just freaking cranking it out. So thank you again, brother. Okay, so we got this bad boy very much open. Feels like it's way back. There we go. So yeah, very much open. We got a key so I can lock it back up. Let's see. I don't know if this dude's gonna get in there. Nope, just wants to spin around. Alright, so let's see. Maybe these dudes. Attack it from both sides. There we go. Nice. Nice. Okay. Key. And it's got a pretty good gap back there, so I'm going to bridge that. Oh, you know what? Actually, no, because then I'd end up with a hollow follower. I've got a hollow follower that'll probably sit over that, but I don't like hollow followers. Okay. Ooh, that's tight. Holy mackerel. Holy mackerel, that's tight. But it's going in. I won't say any innuendos on that. Okay. I'll leave it alone, Al. Alrighty. Get that bad boy out of there. Is that the right size? Yeah. Okay. There we go. 6-pinner, all pinned up. What do we got here? My goodness. Man. Talk about some overset traps, man. Look at that. Barely had to touch 6. I don't think I had to do anything to 5. Maybe just a tad. Number 2 a little bit. Number 1 is almost a dead ringer for a no touchy zone. So yeah, that's probably why I got it so quick. Alright, lay it out here. Yeah, I'll tell you what, overset traps like that, they do work good, but obviously if you have more than one, you're giving that chamber away, kind of. Usually you want to give that chamber away to achieve not giving access to the next one. Ooh, there we go. I knew I felt it, man. 2-piece key pin. There we go. Alright, so let me get some eyeballs on here. On the core we've got threading in 2, 3, 5, and 6. Threading in 2, 3, 5, and 6. Hope you can see that good. Alright, and let me see. Front. There we go. Okay. Shim. Tweezers. Here we go. What the heck? Number 1's barely popping up. Oh. Good golly. Little tiny baby spring. Maybe that's why. It's a spool. Boy, that sucker barely cleared the shear line, man. Same with number 2. And number 2's a 2-piece. And the spring's not coming out. There it goes. Yep. Three came up. 3's a serrated. Little spring. 4. Pretty cool shape. Kind of a double spoolie or something. Combobulation. And what was that? 4, so 5. Oh, 5's one of them, I think a barrel. I think they're called barrel pins. Not positive. Little spring. And I think we can go through the other side, hopefully. Take it slow. Nothing will go flying. Alright. That almost looks upside down, but I guess it didn't matter because I don't think it came into play. Alright, little spring. See if there's any work done up here. It goes this way. So threading in 1, 3, 5, and 6, which is different than the core because the core had threading in 2, 3, 5, and 6, and this has 1, 3, 5, and 6 in the Bible. So cool. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, Bada boom, bada bang. Now, get a close up on these pins right here. And when I say close up, I mean not that close. Found out that the hard way. Alright. Look good? Back it off. Looks alright. Okay. If I can hold it steady. Key pins. Standard in 1. Sort of a reduced top on number 2. Standard in 3 and 4. 5, we've got this almost triple spooled because those are wide serrations. 6 was this 2-piece key pin. Drivers, we've got, oops, I got the spring in the wrong spot. My bad. We've got a spool in 1. We got a 2-piece in number 2. Double serrated in 3. Double serrated with a sharp end in 4. And I think this is a barrel pin in 5. And then 6 is this, I guess we call it double serrated, but that key pin was so long, I'm not sure any of that came into play, to be fair, to be honest. And all the springs look, actually they're all different. Well, you can see there's a little baby one here. Anyways, they do vary for different tensions. Alright, there we go. So that was number 2 from Chris Capune. Chris, I highly appreciate you making this sucker and sending it to me. And I remember doing your first one. It was quite the honor to try your first lockout and the second one. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, everybody. This will wrap it up. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up for me. Alright. Big Al, signing out.